Hi, I'm Atikul, a dedicated expert in online security and social media account recovery. If you're facing any issue with your Facebook or Instagram accounts in Facebook Business or fan page and community like Facebook group, then you've come to the right place. I specialize in recovering hacked Facebook business and fan pages in disabled page or personal accounts. Whether it's verifying your Meta business account or personal account and solving issues with MetaQuest, or recovering your disabled Instagram, Facebook page and account, I've got you covered. I also assist with setting up effective Facebook ads for small businesses and can help you navigate any problems you encounter on these platforms. With extensive knowledge in digital security, I can also help recover hacked ad accounts in Meta Business Manager account. Now, I understand that as a new freelancer on Upwork, I don't have a track record on this platform yet. However, I'm highly skilled and fully committed to delivering exceptional quality. I'm excited to collaborate with clients like you. Let's team up and entrust me with your issues. I assure you won't be disappointed. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you.